I finished creating a video of CLCT for dress, it came to my realization that I want to create my own wings. Hi Liza, Slayza here. In this video, I will teach you how to create your own mini wings instead of using hair mesh that you keep seeing on YouTube. Really use overlay. Of course, reference is a must, and what way to find reference if it's not in Pinterest? Need a reference to visualize what the mini wings looks like. Either you want to make cartoonish, anime styles, or even realistic wings. In this tutorial, I want to make simple mini wings that everyone can do. If we have found a reference, then it's time to open Vroid Studio. Start with making our first draft. So we need to go to the outfit and then go to the top, edit textures. At the top category, choose long hood high neck as overlay. Make the code's volume a bit larger by 400, then start sketching the wings. After that, export the image template to your draw since we need to clean up the line art and color by importing it to the drawing software. Or you can just keep drawing in Vroid Studio without exporting the image. Either way is fine. This is Krita, another free drawing software that we all can use. Right now, we need to redraw the line art again and erase the excessive line. Create another layer and start with the color. Add the shadow by using a multiply layer. Add the highlight detail using the screen layer, and we are done. Before you import the image back to Vroid Studio, make sure the image is transparent and only the wings show. Before we continue with this video, Princess Liza had an announcement you need to hear. Anyway, thank you, Princess Liza. I just want to say that Christmas is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate this joyous occasion by wearing this ugly sweater that you can only see and wear once a year. Now there are 6 patterns and colors that you can choose from. But don't you have ugly sweater? Don't worry, I've also prepared the cardigan for you. There are 5 colors that you can pick, plus each item has one free outfit that you can try for your Vroid model. If you wear my outfits, feel free to tag me on Twitter. I love to see your Vroid model wearing them. Now back to you, Slayza. Thank you, Future Slayza. Now back where we left off. After you done import the image, it's time to tweak the slider. Adding the value of shoulder slope by 100, shoulder padding 300, waist narrowness or set 500. If you don't like the wings near the back, then put negative values of 500 and waist narrowness or set. Now you can create your own wings. You can create other accessories such as bags. It's my first try, I admit, it looks pretty decent, not gonna lie. This is a really simple method to create wings other than using the hair mesh. The cons of using the overlay method is that you can't make the wings bigger. No matter how you want to expand the long coat's volume, doesn't make your wings bigger. Instead, it makes your wings look a bit distorted, which is kind ugly. Another cons of using this method is that it looks flat, like really flat. It doesn't have any volume shape at all. Unlike the wings that are created by hair mesh, which can be tweaked the shape by using the graph and hair parameters. Our wings here look a bit flat, yes I say it twice, and it doesn't have any volume at all, once again. But at least it has a shape and the looks, and you don't need to add bones on overlay wings. The wings that you made from hair mesh need to add bones. So that way, when you export the Vroid model, you have to import this converted model into Unity and use bone weight transfer to detach the hair from the head. Now you know how to create your own mini wings, then continue watching this video where I explain how to create your own spirit orb in Vroid Studio and also Liza.